welcome. It's Chilli Cube here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with some test pours. I'm doing a voiceover because I was in my art room doing all these different test pours with different pouring mediums and so forth, and I just wanted to record them just in case I got up something absolutely stunning, as you usually do when you haven't got your camera recording. So this one was on these lovely little chunky little thick canvases, and what you see me pouring on right there is semi-gloss house paint, and I've just mixed a little bit of water in with it. What I'm using today is the pigments, the Primary Elements pigments that I did mix up a couple of days ago in those cute little storage jars. And I mixed it with the pouring medium that came with the Primary Elements pouring medium. So I just was seeing if they still would do anything for me after being mixed for, oh, maybe they have been mixed for nearly a week now in those little containers. And then I had just mixed a bit of white and black with Floetrol, the Amsterdam paints. So I'm not particularly trying to get the bloom technique, as I'm not following sort of the guidelines for that, and as people say to me, please don't fall down the big bloom hole and go on the bloom tangent that everyone seems to go on. I mean, the bloom technique and the results from it are absolutely stunning. It's just that it's just so much about, and I don't usually get comments that they want me, that my audience would like me to do it, because there's so many others doing it so brilliantly. So I was just testing these paints that have been mixed for a while, so see what I can get. But from this particular video, it looks very dark, so not sure what's going on there. But I will just let you watch what I experiment with a little bit of music over. So enjoy. Yes, I've yeah, just gone for it with these three different little like bricks. I call them. They're real little thick canvases, quite cute. I'm just trying the methods and the different techniques, and I really wanted to, yeah, just see what they came out. They're looking a little bit dark through this camera. I'm back filming with my old iPad until I get a better tripod for my iPhone camera. But yeah, I'm just doing like the pseudo swipe over the top because I find this adds some awesome 3D effects to your paintings when you do this over the top of your canvas. So they give a really awesome 3D effect. So I hope you enjoyed just coming on this quick little journey with me of discovery. Some may like, some may hate, but you know what? It's all art therapy. It's all enjoyable to do, and get down and create and enjoy. So until tomorrow, guys, thanks so much for joining me from here in sunny Queensland, Australia. Bye for now. Stay safe.